Hello Sagittarius, this is your December 2021 reading. So yeah, today I'm little bit late here. So we will see what we have for Sagittarius people for the month of December. We will definitely see energies for the month of December. And so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, Virgo. Why I'm saying Virgo, Sagittarius. Maybe you are dealing with some Virgos here. So yeah, let's see what we have for Sagittarius people for the month of December 2021. So 5 of Cups, 7 of Wands, the Strength, so Sagittarius, I'm seeing here and just sensing a energy which is very low here. Like look at this 9 of Swords, 5 of Cups. You are just losing your situation and you are feeling very grief, sadness, like something has happened to you. Like 5 of Cups and 9 of Swords. Look at this. This is a very the card which is very, saddest card is 5 of Cups. And something has happened to you which is just giving you this 9 of Swords. Like you are losing your sleep, you are losing your patience, you are losing your energies. And look at this 4 of Swords. You are just taking break or just not doing anything, and you are in maybe some kind of depression in your life, Sagittarius, because the energy is not good here. And also look at this, the devil. The devil is clearly telling me that you are focusing only on negative things. Maybe the situation is like the situation is giving you that mentality or giving you that situation in which you are feeling very negative or negativity around you with this the devil card. And the first card is 5 of Cups. Maybe some situation, it could be your career also, it could be your love life also, or family situation, which gives you a lots of pain inside you, a lots of pain, but still you are just keeping this strength within you because you know that the situation will balanced. Okay, and definitely the situation will balanced in your recent future. Okay, and look at this sequence here, this 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have Leo, Libra, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Now something has giving you some shocked moment has happened to you, some regret you are feeling right now, some grief you are feeling right now, some rejection you are feeling right now. So that's why you are just guarded yourself with this 7 of Wands and this Strength card, and you are taking this 4 of Swords. 4 of Swords is nothing but a card of taking rest, doing some spiritual things. You are taking your hurt out of your body and just guarded up, and just you have created a lot of boundaries. Maybe you blocked someone or someone is blocked you, or some situation has happened here. Definitely that's why you're feeling this grief here, 5 of Cups. Okay, maybe you demanded from someone that maybe she is not giving you equal give and take. So you demanded from them that you want this equal give and take from them, but they are not ready to give you equal give and take. Like you are just doing hard work towards in this situation, or maybe it could be anything. Like for me it's a, it's a cup. Like maybe you are fighting with your emotions right now. Okay, but two of cups is definitely going to come towards you, because you are just looking this three of cups, okay, which is not in your life right now. But with this two of cups, you definitely get what you want with this equal give and take. So this two of cups is definitely coming towards you. I will clarify this five of cups. But the strength is here a very strong card here. Strength. It's from Major Arcana, Sagittarius, and strength is telling me that you have to be strong in your situation clearly, and maybe some situation which is going to getting out of your control, but still the spirit is your angels is telling you that you have to tackle this, you have to fight for this, and definitely you have to just with this seven of wands, you have to keep yourself strong. Okay, seven of wands is also a card of some break. Like this four of swords was also appearing in your reading, and the seven of wands. Just take some break. If something is not serving you, so the message here is just take some break, so the situation will balanced. Okay, with the six of pentacles. Okay, let's clarify this five of cups. Why you are feeling this? Why are you feeling unsatisfied, unstable in your life, and you are demanding this six of pentacles? You wanted this six of pentacles, equal give and take, and a very balanced life. The death and the knight of pentacles is flew out, but I am not taking this, Sagittarius. Okay, I will take this. Okay, again four of swords. Maybe you are just harassed, like you are just tired and harassed with some situation, so you wanted to take this break. That's why you are feeling this grief and sadness. You are just tired. Maybe it's your relationship, it's your family situation, or it's your career. Like you are fed up from this all. You are definitely fed up from this all, and definitely wanted this break. That's why you are feeling grief. You are feeling sad. You want some break, you want some time. Okay, again devil. Definitely a very something negative around you, or you are thinking, just creating your own problem with this devil. Just don't think, just don't concentrate on only negative things. Obviously, just take some break, analyze the things, just clarify all the things, okay, in your life, whether it's your career situation, whether it's your love life, or with something. Just don't feel negative, or just don't think negative. Whatever you are thinking, it is going to be manifest into your life. Four of cups again, that much suffering, again that much suffering. Four of swords, four of cups, four of swords is appearing in your reading. Let's see what is the message for you here. Definitely something has happened to you, so just prepare yourself for this. Devil is appearing, so just clean your environment. Whatever is not serving you, Sagittarius, just leave that situation, leave that person, or leave that job. So definitely I'm clearly telling you that the energies I'm picking up is very low vibe. The strength is clear. Okay, 10 of cups. If you are in your power, then definitely you will get this 10 of cups. 10 of cups is all about happy family, happy life, balanced life, financial abundance, everything. 5 of wands. You are conflicting your mind, Sagittarius. The cards just believe my words, like believe this energy. Like you are just creating your own problem by your own thinking. The main thing here that troubling you, Sagittarius, is your thinking. Just think positive. Look at this, Five of Wands and Five of Cups. You are troubling your mind, your competitive environment, your competitive things. Maybe you are feeling helpless. Whether it's your career, it could be also your family situation. Just leave that situation for sometimes, because Four of Swords. Take some break from that situation. I'm not saying that you have to leave. I'm not saying that. Just give them some space, give them some break. You are also you here advising by the angels and spirit guide that you have to take some break. Just don't conflict your mind. It's your mental condition, mental situation. The devil is clearly telling me that you are thinking very negative. Some pattern you are following in your life. Some pattern, something, some addiction, some person. So clearly you have to give them space, give them some rest. So yeah, Ten of Cups. Give some rest to yourself. Don't trouble your mind. You are just going through a lot of chaos and conflicts in your mind, in your environment. I'm seeing here. Just don't trouble yourself because of others. Okay? Just be in your power. The overall energy, the first card is your strength. Clearly you are telling me that in the month of December or your recent future, you are going to be very strong. Whatever has happened to you, you are going to be very strong. Whether it's your love life, whether it's your career, business or family life. Okay, Sagittarius. You demanded this, right? Six of Pentacles. Definitely it will happen, but you have to do some self-work, some self-rest. Your environment, your aura is corrupted by others. So you have to clean this. Okay? Just don't mess up with this people which is going to giving you a negative vibes, negative thinking in your environment. Don't give them that opportunity to destroy you, to destroy your inner strength or power. Strength is a major arcana and clearly telling you that you have to strong. Don't doubt yourself and conflicting yourself. You have to create these boundaries. Seven of Wands, very guarded up energy here. You have to do this. These are the people who is doing a very negative things around you, conflicting your minds and creating a chaos. Take rest. Okay, so Sagittarius, this is your reading. Very heavy vibes. Okay, but yeah, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.